Though the crypto industry is only a decade old, the buzzwords Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum are gaining attention. Novice investors are drawn to it as they see a quick way to earn profits. But unlike the stock market, the crypto market does not have any regulations. This is why its values swings up and backs down daily. Given the extreme volatility of these digital coins, in this TweakFriday video, we will talk about the things you need to know before investing in the cryptocurrency market. Hey friends, my name is Shivani and welcome to another exciting episode of TweakFriday. Before getting into details, here is a quick recap of what cryptocurrencies are. A cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can circulate without a central monetary authority. You can use it as an investment and online purchase. Secured by cryptography, you cannot counterfeit or double spend cryptocurrencies. Most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are supported by a technology known as blockchain, which maintains a tamper-resistant record of transactions and keeps track of who owns what. Still, investors face the biggest challenge of not getting caught up in the hype. Therefore, if you are decided to invest in the cryptocurrency market, it's important to do your homework. Below, we will explore what you should know before you invest. Before making a cryptocurrency investment, ask the most fundamental question to yourself: why you are doing it? Are you interested in buying crypto because of cryptocurrency's trendiness? Or is there a more compelling reason of investing in one or more specific digital tokens? Particularly for those new to digital currencies, developing a sense of how the digital currency would work before investing is a must. Therefore, take time to learn beyond the most prominent names like Bitcoin, Ether and Ripple, and look for the other currency options. Since the digital currency space is trending, things change and develop quickly. To keep it up, be part of an active community of digital currency investors and enthusiasts communicating around the clock. When you are considering an investment, more important than word of mouth, take the time to find the project's white paper. Every cryptocurrency project should have one. If not available, consider that a red flag. Do diligent research before investing in crypto. Since the digital currency world is volatile, take out time for your investment. When it comes to buying crypto, avoid going with the hype. This is particularly because crypto is a highly volatile, relatively unregulated and uncertain market where fortunes can change within seconds. So it is important to be at top of this rocketing market and play safe. There are many ways to buy cryptocurrency. If you are accustomed to traditional brokerage accounts, go with them. Alternatively, you can use online broker platforms to make a better selection of cryptocurrencies and more. While there are thousands of cryptocurrencies being traded worldwide, fiat currencies are the most popular method. If you are a first-time buyer, use regular money to buy cryptocurrency. However, if you are a more experienced investor, you can trade using your existing crypto holdings. Depending on how you choose to pay, you may have to fund your account before purchasing any crypto. Not all cryptocurrencies can be directly traded for one another, and exchanges fees vary depending on what you are buying and how you are buying it. So review these details carefully. There are many options for cryptocurrency investors. Before buying, ask yourself about your goals. Are you hoping to increase in value? Are you interested in carrying out transactions using cryptocurrency? These may help you decide. You can invest mindfully in the volatile cryptocurrency by keeping these points in mind. If you like the information we have shared, do give us a thumb and share the information with your friends and family members who want to invest in crypto to avoid losses.